first runner-up got 90.60 and will receive 10,000 pesos worth of GC.
Okay, the winner is MCM.
M2M!
Okay lang yan, panalo pa rin. M2M.
M2M is our favorite among the Middle East.
Oh, see, look! The first runner-ups. Siyempre, finance na yung first place, di ba?
Congratulations! Let's give them a round
Si
of
Elsa
applause!
and si Ana.
Thank you, sir. And now, to award our grand champion of Chinoy Got Talent, Huawei Edition 2014. Let's go on Doc Dai to award our winner.
My God,
Who do you think won?
it's okay. You still win.
Doc Dai.
Not bad. Not bad. Athlete. Athlete. Oh, tagalan na. Macy, 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 Macy,
How much
Macy.
is the grand prize?
Wow. Ito naman, May. 10. Gumaga, oh. Isa pa, kanina wala. How much? Ba yan siya?
What a winner!
See? Congratulations.